This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up code, blocks for C programming. First, you'll need to download the code. Blocks IDE, which is a free, open-source development environment. It comes with everything you need to write, compile, and debug your C and C++ code. This easy method will get you coding quickly on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. To begin, visit the official code, Blocks website, and navigate to the Downloads section. It's important to choose the installer package that bundles the MinGW compiler, as this provides the necessary tools for C and C++ development. Once downloaded, run the installer and simply follow the prompts, usually accepting the default options for a complete setup. Once Blocks is installed, launch the application. From the initial Start Here page, select the option to create a new project. You'll then choose Console Application as your project type, and importantly, select C as the language. Finally, give your project a descriptive title and pick a convenient location on your computer to save all its associated files. After creating your project Blocks will usually open a main C file containing a simple Hello World program. You can write your own C code inside the main function. To see your program in action, simply click the Build and Run button, which looks like a gear and a green play icon, or press the F9 key. This will compile your code and then execute it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.